This is our login page. And this is our dashboard. And this is the manage. Nakalagay dito kung saan naka-input yung mga faculty teachers, rooms, course and section. And dito po, pwede po tayo maglagay ng curriculum. And ito po yung example curriculum na ilalagay natin. After ma-upload ng curriculum, i-fill out natin yung mga fields. Dito, nakalagay is BSIT 111, then sa year level is first year, and sa number of students is 45. As you can see, naka-add na yung in-attach natin na curriculum kanina, which is yung BSIT 111. And you can also edit or delete yung mga curriculum na naka-attach na. When editing rooms, pwede natin ibahin yung status, it's either available or unavailable. As mentioned earlier po, sa faculty is pwede tayo maglagay ng faculty member. After po mag-add, i-fill out natin yung fields. As per example, temporary faculty yung nilagay namin and nag-select kami kung anong type ba siya. It's either part-time or full-time. Then, ilalagay po natin kung anong department siya. For faculty members, ilalagay nila yung day or araw na hindi sila available. For example po, si faculty member ay hindi available ng Monday to Thursday. Tapos, sa Thursday na yon, may specific time lang siya na hindi siya available. After ma-finalize ng faculty, room availability, course and section, pwede na tayong mag-generate ng schedule. As you can see, nakapag-generate na tayo ng schedule at nakasort ito per faculty members. Sa right side, makikita natin yung scheduled details. Meron tayong 72 total subjects and 60 subjects na assigned by AI and 12 subjects na unassigned. Yellow is for best match and red is for possible conflicts. As long as may unassigned subject, pwede tayong mag-assign ng mag-assign sa mga faculty members. As you can see din po, nabawasan yung total number na unassigned subjects. Hindi pa finalize, isave muna natin siya as pending. In this section, makikita natin yung 4 total subjects na unassigned kanina. We have 2 options kung paano mag-assign. We have auto-assign and manual assign. Also have features na drag and drop ng subject dun sa faculty members. Since may 1 unassigned subject pa, ima-manual assign na lang natin kung kanino faculty member mapupunta yung subject. Nakikita nyo po na dagdagan siya ng subject na which is yung internship. As long as hindi pa finalize yung schedule, pwede tayo mag-add, delete, at saka mag-undo ng mga last actions. Pag finalize na, pwede na natin i-save yung changes. And then, pag na-save natin yung changes, pwede na natin i-finalize yung schedule. Makikita dito yung final schedule ng 2026 to 2027. We also have an option na pwede nating ilagay sa archive yung mga past academic years. Pwede din nating i-restore or i-delete yung academic year. And we can also export it as Excel or PDF file. For dashboard, makikita natin yung 72 subjects offered, 9 faculty members, and 10 total rooms, at saka yung 0 conflicts detected. Sa error log, dito natin makikita yung history kung nagkaroon ba ng conflict sa academic year na 2026 to 2027.